To try on a project where you're using interchangeable needles, you need to slide one needle out of your work and then you're going to just remove this needle. Now I'm just going to add one of these little cable connectors so I can add another cable. And then you're going to take another cable and attach this. So now I've attached another cable, it gives me a lot more room to be able to try my project. So I can just shift my stitches back onto this. And now it gives me plenty of room so I can try this on.